Struggling with meal planning? Meet Meal Timetable, the ultimate solution for hassle-free meal planning. Getting started is easy. Step 1. Download the app. Step 2. Log in or register. Google Login is available for fast access. Step 3. Start creating your meal timetable. Add your favorite foods. Set servings. Create combos. And voila! Your meal timetable is ready. Unlock even more with our premium subscription. Generate multiple timetables, switch between them, and download as PDFs, all at your fingertips. Say goodbye to meal planning stress and hello to delightful meals every day with Meal Timetable.